Hey guys, hope so you all are fine, doing great. And in this video, we take a look on how you'll be able to install the Audacity audio recording software on your laptop or a PC. So in order to install, just click on this Chrome icon or whatever the browser you have in your laptop. So to download the Audacity, we have to just type Audacity download in the search bar, and after that just press the enter button, and now you see the website will appear, and here you see the second website download for window. So just you have to just click on it. Once you click on it, next an official website audacityteam.org will appear, and here is the multiple files to download. So if your system supports 64-bit, you have to download this 64-bit installer. And if your system supports 32-bit, you have to download this 32-bit installer. Okay. So now my system supports 64-bit. If you so most of you guys will the system because current system is 64-bit, and if your PC is old, then your system might be chance that it is 32-bit. So we click on this download button. So just click on it, and it will ask me where you want to download this setup. So right now I installed it on the download it on the desktop. So just click on save, and here you see our downloading will start, and it is almost done because it is the only 14 MB setup. So in order to go to the directory or a folder where we install this, you have to just click on this folder icon. Okay, so just click on it. It will ask you, might be when you once you first time, it will ask the window permission. So in that case, you have to just click on yes, and after that, here the next dialog will appear. Dialog box. You have to click on OK, and just click on the next button, and it will some guidelines or a quick setup. If you want to read, just read. So just click on next, and here it is asking where you want to install this Audacity software. Okay, by default the C is selected, and if you want to change your the installation directory or disk or folder, just click on this browse, and now you see here you choose the other folder or directory if you like. Okay, just okay. Right now I leave it as default, and then click on next, and okay, create a shortcut, and then click next again and install, and it will take a few seconds and it will install. So just wait. Okay, here we have Audacity. Just here, because of the recording software will not allow me to open it on the desktop things. So that's why I go to the my start menu and open it. Okay, here you see we have installed this. Okay, now you see we have installed this and it is working. So because when you here you start recording, it will recording your screen. Okay, you see it will recording. So hope so you like this video, and if you like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We will meet in the next video. Stay tuned.